Now let's look at where we can get nice custom colors. So if we go to this website, right, so the name is going to be COO, or here LORS, right, CO over here, and then we go over here and we say start generator. It's free, right? So if we click over here, and what's going to happen is that we're pretty much given a 5 values that actually the colors that would go together, right? And obviously you can see over here the colors are displayed in hex, right? I mean the value is displayed in hex, right? And what happens is that if we press the space bar, right, you can see that we can lock it over here or unlock the colors, right? Or in general, if we just keep pressing the space bar, right, we're given 5 colors, right? So we can get them to our project and actually start working them, right? And this is very good for somebody like me, right, that I'm not very good in colors. This actually gives a very good ideas of which colors would make more sense, right? And over here, if I like just, let's say, this color, I can just lock it, right? And I keep getting the other colors, right? So in this case, let's say that I would want this green also, right? So over here, I can lock this guy and keep looking for the other ones, right? And this way you can find some really, really nice color combinations that probably you wouldn't be able to do it without it. And the only thing we need to do is obviously just write down these values, right, in our main CSS over here. And then we can start right away using the colors.